by the trees where the webbing runs tight. You're staring at the slackline, kinda scared of the height, but it's low to the ground, just a walk in the sky. Every master was a rookie who decided to try. Step one, set it safe, low line, solid trees. Use protection on the bark, keep it just above your knees. Short distance for beginners, double check that lock. Your confidence is anchored in the strength of every knot. Start from standing with one foot on the line, other foot on the ground, till your balance feels fine. Then lift up the second, let your knees stay soft. You're not chasing perfect, you're just learning to lift off. Feel the wobble like a heartbeat underneath your feet. Say thank you for this fear that makes the victory sweet. Focus on a single spot, let the noise fall back, one breath at a time, till your courage stays on track. Set it safe, keep the line low and full. Mount the line, one foot, then hold the long. Three eyes on one spot, arms out wide like wings. Four soft, no steps, bend your knees, let it sing. Small, breathe and fall, safe, land light, try again. Six, a path to Texas, links you all running 10 times in. Seven, grow your game, longer lines, new things. Seven steps to slacklining, feel the freedom it brings. How expert in your balance when the doubt talks loud, turning shaky first attempt into moves that make you proud. Step three, find your focus, pick a point straight ahead. Not your feet, not the crowd, not the fear in your head. Arms wide like a wire, shoulders loose, not stiff. Your body is a question, and the line becomes the cliff. Step four, take tiny steps, let your foot roll heel to toe. Bend your knees, stay low and let the side wobble go. Don't fight every motion, let the line just breathe. Balance isn't freezing, balance learns to weave. Step five, learn to fall, step on forward or back. Land soft, knees bend, never step on the track. When you're not afraid of falling, you will walk more free. The ground is still your friend, it's not your enemy. Every shake is just your nervous system learning to beat. Every slip is just rehearsal for a cleaner retreat. Say guide me as I practice, help this rhythm settle in. Slacklining is the art of losing fear so you can win. Stop, set it safe, keep the line low and true. Step two, mount the line, let it roll under you. Stop, three, eyes on one spot, let your arms find swing. Step four, soft no steps, feel the wobble, don't blink. Stop, loud, breathe and fall safe, land light, try it again. Stop, six, practice sets, 5 to 10, then again. Stop, seven, grow your world, longer lines, maybe spin. 7 steps to slacklining, let the sky draw you in. How expert in the quiet when it's just you and the rope. Teaching every tiny victory is bigger than you hope. You're a tightrope between yesterday and who you wanna be. Every step across that slack line rewrites your identity. You're not chasing some perfection hanging high above the ground. You're just learning how to listen to the smallest shift of sound. How expert in the treetops when your heartbeat starts to race. When your mind says you can't do this, but your soul says own this space. Slacklining is a prayer made of balance, breath and nerve. A reminder that your courage is much bigger than you've heard. So fast, set it safe, at your first step, at your shake, at your glide. How expert in the moment when you're walking there with pride.